Today I am going to tell you how you can spot fake news on fake websites. I am Dr. Amara Malik, Assistant Professor at the Department of Information Management. Here are some tips. First of all, in the case of a website, check the URL. If it ends with .com, .co, chances are there they aren't original websites. For example, abcnews.go.com is original website, while abcnews.com.co is not the original one. Having close look for the website address may help you in this regard. Look for the quality of the paper in terms of proper citations, links and references. If they are provided, double check them. It is important to scan these links and references carefully whether they are supporting the claim made in the story. Check who wrote the article and who support the website. Know About Us page or nothing under the page is a red flag. Spelling and grammar mistakes. Credible sources are less likely to make such mistakes. Anything entirely written in capital letters and lots of exclamation marks are the indication that it may not be real. Be aware of emotional words that gets used sad, angry, fearful or joyful. That is actually a red flag to you. Over-exaggeration, inflammatory images and over-encouragement to share the message is a point of question. This is how viral message works. Cross-check the information. You can check other websites and credible sources to confirm whether they are reporting the same news. During COVID-19, WHO and your country government health websites are the credible sources to check. Do Google reverse image search if you're looking at the photo to find out whether it is real or doctored. Just drag and drop it into Google Images to see who is sharing it where and where else it has been used for what purposes. Thank you so very much.